making a video. And you're probably seeing this on YouTube. So this is my first video. I'm not a professional. So yeah. Now let's continue, because we don't want to talk and I don't want you to skip this. So let's get ready. We're going to get the glue. Well, if you want to make this slime, you need glue, Elmer's glue, foam. Like, we just bought these, so yeah, they're not open. Yeah, shaving cream, some dye, and some contact solution. Because contact solution is an activator. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started and I put the sleeves up. So I'm going to put this whole thing in this whole bowl. Now I'm gonna put in the shaving cream. Oh my. That's a lot of shaving cream. So we're just gonna mix that in. Wow, I think I put too much shaving cream in here. I'm now going to put food coloring in here. So I want to make it so there's pink, yellow, green, and blue. I'm going to choose yellow, that yellow. So right here. Just 3 drops. I'm gonna put 3 drops in there. Mix it. Wow, it's actually really working. Wow, 3 drops is definitely enough. Now I think we can add this thing that will make it slime. Now we should start mixing and see if something happens. Okay, something's happening. Something's definitely happening. Something is so happening. I'm getting excited. I really am. Maybe just a little bit more activator. Just a little bit more, maybe. It's working. It's slowly but surely working. Okay, it is working. So it works. It definitely works. It's just gonna take a little bit of time, and I need a little bit more time. Hope you like this video. Subscribe if you like this video. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. If any questions. So bye.